It's almost Christmas, but I think we can squeeze one more Clicksmas Party Part 3. Let's go! Okay, the venue might be a little empty because everyone's on break, but there's no break for us HeroClix players, so let's go! First, free play match against Errol's team. Second match was against Knight, and he's wearing a nice shirt. Okay.
And then we will record all of the rolls.
Okay.
And then the highest one will draft first.
Okay.
Up to the lowest.
To the lowest. And these are our draft items. Christmas.
Care of
Care of
Nick Belu and Anthony Barnsley.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Happy holiday. Okay, Night. Yes. Patasa lang. Yes. Okay.
Tapos mamimili.
Okay. Night, go ahead. Go ahead. Pause muna.
Alam ko, malas ako sa ganito, pero...
Malay mo.
Dapat video mo siya nagda-dice mo. Nakakatawa.
Nag-roll ng dice.
Nag-roll ba? Laki na eh.
Laki eh.
Go, go, go. Oh. Oh, yan na lang malaki ulitin. Yan na lang malaki.
One.
Bunggoy mo, bunggoy mo. Bunggoy mo ng dice. Ay, sayang. 1, 2, 5, 8. 10.
yeah.
All the same time, all the same time.
Nakakatawa eh.
Hindi counted. Up! 11. 11. Okay, Larry.
Parang may trend ah.
Larry, 11.
Pwede
Pakyat.
ka mo gumamit ng ano?
Prab.
Walang problem.
1.
Dice cup?
Baka
Prangana?
pumasok yung dice cup mo dyan, sige.
Up! 1, 2 na lang. 4. Ang ka, Larry. 4. Errol, can you roll? Errol, can you roll?
Lowest pala.
Thank you.
Pero isa tapos magro-roll ulit lahat.
Food.
Hindi, ano?
Yun na yun?
Yun na yun.
Putang ina.
10 ako, 10. Go, Errol.
Finger roll.
Up. Just re-roll that one.
Roll.
8 ka na, 8. Oh! 14. Kennard, you're the last one. 14 is the roll
Di
to
ba
beat.
umalis ka na?
Number to beat 14.
10.
10. Balik kami 10. Dire-roll tayo dalawa.
Mamaya na.
Putong taas. 12.
Tangin ang taas eh.
Okay, Errol won the roll off and he chose a booster of Masters of Time. Errol, what did you get?
Yes, thank you guys.
Meron na. Pwede na.
I'm good now with this.
Ultra J. Let's see.
Pero anong ginagawa? Bakit?
Oh, we have Degaton
Per Degaton, that's a good rare.
and
Dino, Booster Gold, Cinnamon, and League Assassin. Thank you very much to everyone who joined the event. And Merry Christmas, Pinoy HeroClixers and Mixers. Bye-bye!